Hello lovely people, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 11 on our Daniel fast, and before we get to our recipe, we are going to look at the Bible verses for today and our quotes also for today as usual. And so the Bible verses are Daniel 11, Psalm 136 and 137. Our quote says, "Sin is not hateful because it is forbidden, but it is forbidden because it is hateful." Benjamin Franklin from the book Hope Through the Dark. Okay, so please, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share the video. And so we are going to have wheat pudding for day 11. Yes, we are going to love this. Okay, so we are going to make use of half cup of wheat, and we have boiling water on fire, and so we just add it and then we'll cook it. We wash the wheat very well before adding it to the boiling water on fire. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. And if you don't know anything about Daniel fast, check the description box for a link to a video that explains Daniel fast very well. Yes, and also do well to check videos for the previous recipes. I have the links there that you can watch. Yes. And so the thickness depends on you, how much thick you want it, but I don't want it that thick because when it cools it's going to be more thick. And so I added a little bit of water and it's ready. Yes, so we are going to serve this. And I'm going to add some seeds and nuts and also fruit to it. You can use any fruit of your choice. Okay, so this is it. We are done for today and we can go ahead and enjoy it. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. Okay, and watch out for another recipe. If you go down on your knees to pray, don't forget to remember me in your prayers. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.